The derivative only applies to the x part, so the negative 2 comes down, subtract 1. Perfect, perfect, looking good.
Why is that?
Why is what?
Why does it only affect the numerator?
Because 1/5 is a constant here.
Okay.
You could rewrite it as 1/5 x to the negative 2.
Thanks.
Sure. Okay, next up. And by the way, I don't care if you go from here to here. It makes no difference to me. Okay? If it makes you feel better because you like the positive x sort of, that's your call. Next up, we'll do this one here. So derivative of sine is positive cosine. Yeah. With the chain rule, you get the extra 4, so there's your 24. And we're looking for y double prime here.
Yes.
So that gives you your negative sine, good, times. Oh. Times 4. And then looks good. 16 down here. You can do quotient rule like this. To me, this is a bit more cumbersome. I would probably bring, like they did up here, bring this up to x to the negative first power. I think it makes it a little bit easier. But you should get the same answer. Yes, you do get the same answer. And then, yes, so that's looking good. Number 2 here. It's just first derivative.
That's all, yeah.
Oh, you're not getting one like that. This one here, again, we have the negative exponents kind of mixed in. Looking good. So these first 3 are kind of the same. Number 30, I'll come back to. I need to read it and take a look. Number 4.
Grab that bag. Grab that bag. Can you grab the bag?
Again, I would not do quotient rule here. Just make this 17/3 t to the 3rd power and just go.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is not wrong. In fact, let's see.
Yeah, it's right.
It should be 17t squared.
The first one. There's after
Oh, then the second derivative. Yeah, so this is fine. But again, I wouldn't do that. That's a mess. It's not wrong. You do that. I would just rewrite it as, this is an s, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
So s is equal to 17/3 t to the 3rd plus 17. And just bring the 3 down. Just go straight at it.
Awesome.
So yeah, that's too much work to do. But that does work. 37. Derivative of tangent is secant squared. Perfect. Then we have evaluated at 5. That's the slope. Excellent. And then they use point slope form. So the point given was pi comma 0.
No, just pi. A equals pi. You had to find.
Tangent of pi is 0, right?
I just went the long way.
No, that's fine. So there's your point. Yeah, it's good. 21 here. Oh my god.
Did you write that one?
I wrote that one, yeah. No, I wrote it down. I fixed it.
I mean, no disrespect to whoever wrote this, but.
No, I was asking if Kevin wrote that one. Sorry, I had to.
All right.
It took me like 10 minutes to write that problem down.
If you want to crunch it down further and all that, that's up to you. Number 15 here. Can I see someone's?
You need a test or?
That's it. Thank you. So. That's sure I'm following.
Yeah, I don't know. Can you do the product rule?
Cross multiply?
No.
Sure not. Did you multiply the numerator again? Is that what they did?
But then what about the 8 minus?
Yeah, that looks good. I think it should be minus though. That's minus, right? That times that is negative.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness, okay. It would be easier for this problem, instead of, you can do this, that's not wrong. I would break it up into 4 separate fractions and treat each one independently. Do you mind if I erase that and show you?
Yeah, go for it.
It's gonna make life a lot easier.
Yeah.
Again, you can do this with the quotient rule, that's not wrong.
It's just,
Oh, you used to raise 17?
Okay, so I'll do some.
Oh, shit.
yay, Music Sundays.
Woo.
It's the weekend, whatever.
It's the Lord's Day.
So I think that doing the derivative here is going to make life a lot easier. I just broke it up into 4 separate fractions.
I mean, they're a bit. I've got evidence.
Sorry, whoever did 17, I'll read that later.
Thank you.
Alright, so that's my lowercase s. My handwriting is so bad, it's got to be a cursive s. So s prime that really is all further.
Oh,
This is for t to the third tan t, right?
Can t.
What rule did you use?
I use product rule for here, and then that's just, it's raised to the 1/2 power.
Okay.
So you bring 1/2 down, subtract
So
1
you're
and
using
it's
sum and product together?
yeah.
Now this is just product rule.
No, but like,
Just
Well,
because
between the
they're
two,
Right.
right? And the sum rule, I guess, yeah.
like plug in.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. All right, 23. Drew a cosine is negative sine, very good. Time, then times 4, beautiful. So you could have just stopped at this top one here, that's fine.
Oh.
For me. Okay, later we are going to need to clean it up because we're going to have to do something with it, but for now, again, I'm just testing you on so you know how to do a derivative. Let's go to 27 here. Oh, we got implicit here. Good, that's good, first step. Go over that. Then, good. Beautiful. Okay, good. Nice, looks good. Well done. Who did 27? Good job. I mean, the others are good too, it's just that one's not easy to turn right now. So compared to the project, it's not so bad, right? Yeah. Thank you. Good. Good. Whether you factor that out front or not, that's your call. Looking at 9 here in the red. Oh my god. Are these both minus here in the original problem? Can someone verify that?
I don't think that's right.
X squared plus 2x minus 2, on the bottom x squared.
Wait, on the top it's x squared plus 2x?
Yes.
Okay, that makes more sense then. So you guys, and I noticed this on the first test, you guys are not using your parentheses properly. This implies that this is 2x plus, and then 2 gets distributed there only. This changes the problem. I'm going to have to be a little bit more strict with the parentheses, so with your project, a lot of you brought that. Yeah, and again, this first line is fine. I would dock you for that the parentheses, maybe a point, so try not to do that. Number 19 down here, just quotient rule, yes. I'm assuming that's y equals.
So is that a good enough answer for the test?
I'm confused. This says q and these all say x's.
Well, you get it. You know.
And was it y or not?
It was P equals P. The other measures should be.
Here, let's solve the problem.
be here on my video the whole time.
Oh, sorry.
Number 25, looks involved. Let's see. So guys, when you do the derivative, you're applying the derivative operator, not dy dx. Yes. Yes. Good. And then I'll assume you dug it out. I do need you to get to there though. Really? Factor out -3? Okay. I mean, if you see that, that's great. I really don't care. That's clever. Let's see. So 10 here. So again, this is just straight up quotient rule. Yeah. Yeah. Again, you could stop there. And you need to. By the way, this is not right. S is equal to this is not right. Okay. If this is S prime, you got to say S prime. I know a lot of that kind of stuff missing on your projects. Let's do 29 down here. Inverse. The problem started out negative. Just verify that. Number 29. It started out negative.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. 11. Now 11 is an interesting problem. I actually really like 11, which means most likely there'll be a problem like this on the test. The only variables that are here are W and Z. E is a constant, right?
Yeah.
It's about 2.7 change. So because it's a constant, the constant comes down for power rule. Then I get here, but I have to subtract 1 from this. -1 is going to give that a 5. So this one's actually easy, but it looks a bit more complicated. Number 12, this is straight up product rule. Yeah, you're good here. 22. Yep. Looks good. It all looks good, guys. Does anybody want to take last minute pictures? Because I'm going to erase this in a